Hello and welcome back to Coca English. I'm your host, Layla.
And I'm Sam. We are so happy you are here with us today. On this channel, we explore English, one word at a time.
That's right. We help you understand words, not just memorize them. We want you to own your English learning.
Oh, own. That's a good word, Layla. It reminds me of our word for today. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I think I am. Today we are going to talk about a very useful and common word, owner.
O-W-N-E-R. Owner.
Let's say it together, everyone. Owner.
Excellent. Now, what does this word mean? An owner is a person who owns something.
Thank you, Sam. That was very helpful.
Well, it's true. To own something means it is yours. You have it. It belongs to you. So, the owner is the person it belongs to. It's a noun for a person.
Okay, let's make it simple. Sam, look at that pen on your desk. Is it your pen?
Yes, it is. This is my pen.
So, you are the owner of the pen. You are the pen's owner.
Wow, I am an owner. I feel important. But it's just a pen.
It can be anything. Think about your phone. Who is the owner of your phone?
I am. I am the owner of this phone. I bought it. It is mine.
Perfect. And this studio where we record our podcast, who is the owner of this building?
That would be Mr. Carter. He is the owner. We pay him money to use this room.
Right. So an owner can be a person for small things like a pen, or for big things like a building.
Or even a car. When you buy a car, you become the car's owner. You get a paper that says you are the owner. It's a very official word.
It is, but it's also a friendly word. Let's talk about one of the most common and fun ways we use the word owner. Can you guess, Sam?
Pets.
Yes, pets. If you have a dog, what are you?
I am the dog's owner. I am a dog owner.
And if you have a cat?
Then I am a cat owner.
So we often put the thing before the word owner to describe what kind of owner a person is. A business owner, a shop owner, a house owner, a restaurant owner.
It's like a job title. My sister is a restaurant owner. She owns a small cafe. She's very proud to be a business owner.
That's wonderful. It means she's the boss. She makes all the decisions for her cafe.
Exactly. The owner is usually the boss. Let's think of a story, Layla. Imagine a beautiful red bicycle.
Okay, I'm imagining it. It has a little bell.
Yes, ring ring. Now, a girl named Anna buys this bicycle. From that moment, Anna is the owner of the red bicycle. She rides it to school every day. She takes care of it. She is the owner.
But what if one day Anna decides to sell her bicycle? Her friend Ben wants to buy it.
Good idea. So, Anna sells the bicycle to Ben. She gives him the bicycle and he gives her money.
So what happens now? Who is the owner?
Well, Anna is not the owner anymore. Ben is the new owner. The bicycle now belongs to Ben. He is the owner.
So being an owner can change. You can be an owner of something, and then later you are not.
Yes, unlike my love for coffee, I am always the owner of my coffee cup in the morning. That never changes.
Some things are very important to their owners. Now, let's think about a lost item. This is a very common situation for the word owner.
Oh, yes. Imagine you are in a park and you find a beautiful brown dog. But there is no person with the dog. The dog is alone. What do you think? This dog has an owner. Where is the owner?
Right. You look around for the owner, you want to find the person who owns the dog. You might say to the dog, "Who is your owner? Where do you live?"
Or you find a book on a bench. You open the book, and on the first page, you see a name. It says, "This book belongs to Maria."
So Maria is the owner. You can say, "I need to find Maria. She is the owner of this book." You can try to return the book to its owner.
Finding the owner of a lost thing is a very nice thing to do.
It is. Now, there is another small but important way we use this word. We use it with the word of.
Can you give us an example, Layla?
Of course. Instead of saying the car's owner, we can often say the owner of the car. It means the same thing.
So I can say, Sam is the owner of this phone, or Layla is the owner of a blue car.
Yes, both ways are correct. The dog's owner and the owner of the dog are both perfect English.
It's good to know different ways to say the same thing. It makes your English more interesting.
Absolutely. So let's review. What is an owner?
An owner is a person who has something. Something belongs to them.
What can an owner own?
Anything. A pen, a phone, a car, a house, a business, or a pet.
How do we use it in a sentence?
We can say a business owner, a dog owner, or the owner of the house.
Perfect. Now we have a question for you. Are you an owner?
Think about it. Do you have a phone? Then you are an owner. Do you have a favorite notebook? You are an owner. Do you have a pet? You are definitely an owner.
Maybe you are the owner of many, many socks.
I am the owner of at least 20 socks, but I can never find a matching pair.
Well, you are still their owner, so now it's your turn. We want you to practice.
Yes, please write a sentence in the comments below this video. Use the word owner.
You can tell us, what are you the owner of? It can be anything. For example, you can write, I am the owner of a black backpack, or my father is the owner of a small shop.
We love to read your comments. It helps us know what you want to learn next. So please say hello and write your sentence with the word owner.
Thank you so much for listening today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the word owner with us.
Remember, you are the owner of your English learning journey. Keep going. You are doing great.
We'll see you next time on Coca English. Bye.
Goodbye.